Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today we are going to make this very classy and elegant metallic look horse clay mural wall hanging which I made by recycling cardboard and homemade ceramic clay. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. as we highlight our clay mural using metallic gold, I'm using here a thick wire and M-seal to make a hook for hanging. And this completes our project. Let's have a final look. I hope you all loved this unique and easy 3D horse clay mural and like the video. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you never miss any of my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.